optional activity. Okay, so based on the object of the picture, so what is this? A mug. Okay. Do you think it's 5 inches tall or 5 feet tall?
5
inches. 5 inches?
No, because we didn't have any pictures.
Based on, think about a cup. Your own cup. Do you think that's 5 inches or 5 feet?
5 inches.
5 inches? What about this cup? 5 inches or 5 feet?
5 feet. 5 feet.
Yeah? This one?
6
inches or
feet.
5 feet? Okay, so does anybody know what this is?
A ruler.
A ruler? Yeah? Okay, so today, as you can tell, we're going to be talking about measuring things. So this is a ruler. I'm going to give each of you one to look at. Pick your favorite one.
Oh, it's a twisted.
Okay, so on one side of the ruler, do you see a side that has bigger numbers? You guys see that?
Yes.
Do you know what those are called?
Inches.
Inches. Good. So from the 0 to the 1 is 1 inch. From the 1 to the 2 is another inch. So that would be from 0 to 2 is 2 inches. So can you all point to the big numbers on your ruler, please? Good. Good. Big numbers around the top. What about the smaller ones? What are those called?
Centimeters.
Centimeters? So, from the 0 to the 1 is a centimeter. So, is an inch or a centimeter bigger?
Inch.
An inch? How do you know that?
Because it has more lines.
More lines? What about the distance? It's further apart. Yeah? So, how many centimeters make an inch?
2.5.
2.5? Can you show me how you know that, Morgan?
Just right there. Because this is centimeters, 2, half of a centimeter is this length, and it's even with this length.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to talk about our outcomes. So I'm going to read them, and then I'm going to have you guys read them together so you can really internalize them. So number 1, students will learn and understand how to use a ruler effectively. Number 2, students will be able to measure classroom objects successfully. So if we read the first one together, ready, begin.
Students will learn and understand how to use a ruler effectively.
Good. And the next one.
Students will be able to measure classroom objects successfully.
Good. So to start out, I'm going to show you how to measure something. We're going to use, so let's just do this book. Okay? So we're going to start with inches. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by putting the book at the 0, and then you're going to go to C. So what is that closest to, Shannon? And don't say it out loud, you're just going to think about it, okay? Start with the 0. Think about a number that's closest to. Use your inches on it. Good. So you can raise their hand and tell me what number that's closest to. Shannon?
10.
10. Good. Was it right on the line?
Pretty close.
Pretty close. Yeah, good. So this book is about 10 inches. So now we're going to do the other side with centimeters. the middle, and have you measure a couple objects. So if you can gather around in a little circle. Now what I want you guys to do together so I'm going to put a bunch of objects in front of you, and you're going to choose 2 to measure. Okay? What I want you to think about while you're doing this is, should I use centimeters or should I use inches? So when do you think centimeters would be a better idea? It's smaller. So which one do you think centimeters would be best to use? Good. Okay, so I'm going to have you each choose 2. It will be the same as another person, but each choose 2. And I want you to write your object, and then who knows what an estimate is? An estimation.
It's a guess.
A guess? Is it an educated guess? An educated guess? Good. So, what you're going to do before you measure it is you're going to think about how many centimeters or how many inches do I think this object is. Okay, and then you're actually going to measure it. I'll have you take a couple minutes to do that. Yeah, so you're estimating objects. Okay, and then what do you think? So, say you have measured. What do you think it's going to be? How many centimeters do you think it's going to be? That's what your estimation is. So on your next object, just think about it. Like, I think this is going to be 8 centimeters. And then you'll measure it. Okay? Good, Jordyn. Anybody have any questions? You guys understanding? Was your estimation close? Yeah? Okay, so can each of you share one object that you measured? Maybe your estimation too, see how close you were. Jordyn, you want to start?
Well, my first one was the Sharpie highlighter, and I guessed it was 4 inches.